Let's go over commercial loans. If you're buying a mixed-use building or if it's a multifamily, 5 units or more, or office space or retail, then you probably want to go through commercial loans. So for commercial loans, the first guideline, it is your credit scores. Credit scores needs to be 700 or more. Down payment, you need 20% if it's going to be owner occupied or 30% if it's going to be investment property. Okay. Your DTI, your debt to income ratio, can go up to 45%, and your closing cost is typically 5 to 7% there. Okay. And this could be for business owners, for investors, for healthcare professionals, right? And reasons for financing could be you're purchasing a building, right? You need to expand your business, you need to buy equipment, or you need just working capital, right? So any of these things will be applicable for that, right? And it could be owner occupied. You will get better interest rates when you are owner occupied versus investment, where you're leasing it to someone else. And this could be for your office space, right? This is going to be a completely office, or it's going to be a retail, or it's going to be a hybrid. It might be retail and office, right? That's fine. Industrial, that's fine as well. It could be a warehouse, right? Or if it's going to be a multifamily. Anytime you have 5+ units, usually you cannot get a residential mortgage because that's for 1 to 4 units. So anytime you have 5 or plus units, then you would go with commercial loan. If it's a mixed-use building where the first floor it has a business, right, or office or a retail space, and you have apartments on the second floor, right? So again, for requirements for this is that you need 3 years of your personal and your business tax returns. You need current your year to date your balance sheet, right? Profit and loss and balance sheet for your business. Any account receivable report if applicable, and your business debt if you have any debt on your business. Okay, and 3 months of your most recent bank statements for that. And absolutely no bankruptcies allowed. Even if one of the borrowers has bankruptcy, you probably have to remove them and get somebody else if it's needed, right? So we do have your loan options for your residentials, and now we're giving you a breakdown for commercial. If you have any questions, please get in touch.